everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Guys, this is a nice car. I want to add a curse word to that, but I know a lot of kids watch my videos and I don't want to do that. But this thing is slick. Bought it locally from a gentleman. He started restoring it. Well, he spent 2 years restoring the car. Got it done in 2013. He said there's just about 3,000 miles on the restoration. Complete frame off resto and killer. Finished in Fathom green metallic. It's got the black vinyl interior. You can see it's got the BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it with the SS rallies. This is an outstanding car. 69 date coded 396 underneath the hood. It's not a real L78 car, but he did build it to the 375 horse specs. Not a matching numbers engine or anything like that, but it is 69 date coded engine. But just a slick car. I wish we had some sunshine so you could see how slick the paint is, but we're actually dealing with snow right now. It's got all the original T3 headlights in it. Chrome and stainless is in excellent shape. Paint is super slick. Car runs and drives outstanding. I believe it's got 64,000 original miles completely on the car. But he said there's just about 3,000 miles on the restoration. Replaced the front and rear glass. Side glasses are all the original soft ray glass. It's a Muncie close ratio 4-speed that shifts out great. Car has tons of power. You hit this one, you better be ready. This thing rocks, guys. Pretty car. That's just low wax. Nice and straight down the sides. I believe he said it's got new quarters on both sides. Did a great job on it. Car's nice and flat. Good sounding pipes, dual exhaust system. I believe it's an X pipe as well. This car's just got a clean look. The stripe delete, no stripes on it. I like it. It's just got a great look. Like I say, it drives outstanding. The boy's missing some wax here. Front disc brakes. Slick Fathom green paint. Again, 69 date coded 396, built to the 375 horse specs. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It does have the winter's intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power front disc brakes. Muncie close ratio 4-speed manual trans. Wind is whipping too. Matter of fact, Nathan, I'm gonna set this down. I just don't want the wind to take anything away. So again, that's just snow melting, guys. Pretty car right there. And then you drive it, and it's outstanding. Frame off. It hits the road great, plenty of power, fun to bang the gears. Door skins are nice and clean. Bucket seats, got the sports steering wheel, Hurst shifter, new carpet. He said he had all the interior redone. Headliner's in great shape. One little split there on your sports steering wheel. 64,528. That's what's at total on the car. Factory tach, factory gauges, AM radio, padded dash. It's console delete. you know, I looked the console up. Console's only $500 at National Parts Depot. 12 bolt, I think it said 331 limited slip rear end. It's got the rear sway bar. Jack with spare is in the trunk here. All spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Doors, everything opens and closes real nice. Look at the bottom of this thing. Beautiful. I got some good photos and posted them. Yeah, you want a nice 69 Chevelle, it's going to be tough to beat this car for the money. I think what people are really most complaining about right now, I think, there's the one little spot. He said he had that, and he feathered it in. He said, I can't remember what he said he did, but like say he feathered the paint in, but he did that himself, he said. Everybody's complaining right now. We just sold a 69 Chevelle to a guy who's been, I think he's waiting on, he's on 5 years, he's been waiting for his car to get done, and he's $135,000 in on the restoration, and the car's not even done. Little light scratching, you can see it there. Oh shoot. I don't know if you're gonna have to, yeah, you have to come out. Shut. Nathan's out here in shorts. We're tough here in Michigan. Yeah, it's taking too long to get stuff done. The car just rocks, dude. Pulls hard, guys. That is a slick car. All the dash lights work, all the gauges are working. Parking brake does work. It's a fun car to drive, guys. Is it AM or not? Oh yeah, it works. Blower motor works. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. I think the car just looks clean. Sits good. Have a great day, guys.